What's up guys, Priyanshu here from Maxtrix. In this video, I'll be doing a review about an Aosp based custom ROM project Elixir OS. I've been using it on my Poco X4 Pro 5G for a while now, so let's get on it. So guys, starting with the boot animation, I would say the boot animation seems cute to me. I've never tested Project Elixir before, so yeah, the boot animation seems quite cute. So guys, talking about the software department, obviously this ROM also comes on Android 13 and I'm using the latest security patch update of 25th May. So let me tell you that this ROM comes with CTS pass by default, which means that you can definitely use your banking applications without any problem until you root your device. So yeah, that's for it. And now let me talk about the pre-installed apps of this custom ROM. Talking about pre-installed apps, it comes with Google apps like Play Store. Obviously it's a G apps build, so it comes with Google apps like Play Store, YouTube and some other useful stuffs like Elixir OS Dialer and Message app, which is really same to the Google Dialer and the messaging app. But here comes the twist. By the Elixir Dialer, you can record calls of the other person without letting him know that the call is being recorded. You also get Dolby Atmos and MIUI camera pre-installed in it, and I definitely use the Dolby Atmos for experiencing amazing sound quality. So the launcher, right? It comes with the Launcher 3, which is a modified pixel launcher with a lot of customizations like changing font size, customizing app drawer opacity, changing font style and so much. One of the best things which I like about this launcher is themed icons, by which the app icons get themed like the applied wallpapers.
Oh my god!
So yeah, it's how the launcher is, but personally I use Nova launcher because it has got a lot of customizations and it is really smooth. So yeah, that's for the launcher. And now let me talk about the features and customizations of the project Elixir OS. As I mentioned earlier, you get some customizations with the launcher, but apart from this, you get much more features in the settings like clean speaker.
What the fuck, amigo? Vos estás re loco.
I know that it's not that featured, but yeah, you get it in the sound settings, which play a 30-second audio to clean the speaker, and in terms of security, yeah, face unlock and fingerprint both works. Now here comes the main twist. In the settings, there's an option called Essence, which is the road to the ROM's customizations. So let's check it out. So yeah, as you can see, you get a lot of customization, a bunch of customizations for themes, lock screen, status bar, QS panel, gestures and some miscellaneous customizations. So let's check it out. So firstly, moving on to the theme features, you can customize your background colors. Right now I've set it on black, so if I shift to default, it fades my colors and I don't really like it, so I'm gonna shift back to black. And you can try other features if you want to flash this custom ROM. I'll be giving the link in the description of this custom ROM, so make sure to check it out if you want to flash it. Now you also get customization for selecting custom fonts, icon packs and signal icons and Wi-Fi icons too. So that's for the themes. Now let me talk about the lock screen. Moving on to the lock screen features, you get options such as double tap to sleep, ripple effect, edge light and much more. Now moving on to the status features, you get features to customize your battery styles, traffic indicator, icon manager and much more. I'm gonna skip the gesture part because it has some symbol features. And now moving on to the miscellaneous settings, you get a lot of features for call and also a game space, which I really like because it helps me to check the FPS of games I'm playing. But one thing which I do really miss is unlock high FPS in games. I have to play BGMI with the GFX tool, which really sucks. It can get me banned sometimes. So yeah, it is really, this feature should be really added. And shout out to Ashish Jaswal for working on this custom ROM for Views. Now I forgot to mention that you also get unlimited backup for photos and videos on Google Photos using this custom ROM. So guys, that's for the customization and features. So now let me talk about the game. Moving on to the performance and gaming section, firstly the Antutu scores, so they came close to 366k, which is really impressive, regarding Poco X4 Pro. And I also ran a throttle test for about 10 minutes under 20 threads, and the JIT score came to 134K and the CPU throttled to 91% of its max performance. Moving on to the gaming section, I played games like Stumble Guys, BGMI, thank god it's finally back, and Minecraft Java Edition in Poco Launcher, where I got around 90 FPS in Stumble Guys, 50 to 60 FPS in BGMI using GFX tool. You know that unlock higher FPS in games is not available right now in this, so I have to use GFX tool for playing BGMI, and 45 to 50 FPS in Minecraft Java Edition. So that's for the gaming performance. Now let me talk about the battery backup of this ROM. So guys, time to know the battery. So talking about the battery backup, on heavy usage I got a battery backup of about 6 hours on constantly using the phone. You know, I'm a phone addict, and for normal usage like just scrolling reels and watching cringe YouTube shorts, I'd say that the Instagram reels are more cringe. What the hell am I saying? Scrolling reels and watching YouTube, I got a battery backup of about 8 hours, which is really impressive and can be definitely considered a good battery backup from this ROM. Let me tell you guys that I also ran speed test on my Jio SIM and I was getting 5G, and the speed test was really brilliant. The results were amazing. So yeah, I'm not facing any network issues in this ROM right now. So yeah, that's for the networking. And now let's move on to another topic. So since we have talked about everything, it's time to cover the cons. So there aren't any bugs I faced in this custom ROM except for this charging information. I mean, look at this. What the hell is it? Moreover, this ROM doesn't charge so fast as compared to the other custom ROMs I've used, but these are not big issues. It can be solved by pushing software updates. So here lies my final conclusion regarding this custom ROM. So if you want a ROM with really smooth UI, I would say it's one of the best ROMs to provide such smoothness. And also if you are looking for customizations, this ROM has got customizations too, which are really helpful. And moreover, this ROM also gives you a good performance. So these are the reasons why you should consider Project Elixir to be flashed on your Vuex. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe our channel, share it with your friends. So goodbye and take care.